2010 Toyota Tundra 4WD truck. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. In addition to its fantastic fit and finish, you'll also get side view mirrors with turn signals, satellite radio,
premium sound system,
multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, tinted windows, power driver seat, power passenger seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist. This is a top-rated dealer. Take home the car of your dreams today.